Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Chrysler 300 door handle. First, gather your tools, including a T20 Torx bit, a flathead screwdriver, and your new door handle. Make sure you have a clear, well-lit workspace. This easy method will save you time and money, allowing you to complete the repair efficiently. We'll go step by step, ensuring you understand each part of the process for a successful replacement. Now, let's remove the old handle. Use a flathead screwdriver to carefully pry off the small plastic cover located on the door jamb. Inside, you'll find a Torx screw. Loosen this screw with your T20 Torx bit, but don't take it all the way out. Once loosened, pull the rear section of the handle straight out, then slide the main handle assembly forward to detach it from the door. With the handle removed, you'll see two cables attached. These operate the door latch mechanism. Carefully disconnect each cable from the old handle. Pay close attention to how they are oriented, as this will make reattaching them to the new handle much simpler. Be gentle when detaching the clips to avoid any damage, ensuring a smooth transfer to your replacement part. Finally, let's install your new door handle. First, connect the two cables you just detached to the corresponding points on the new handle. Then, slide the main part of the new handle into its opening, followed by the rear section. Once both pieces are in place, tighten the Torx screw you loosened earlier until the handle is firmly secured and sits flush with the door. Test the handle's operation before closing the door.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.